In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix lag in Saitama Battlegrounds on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly get a lot of performance in Saitama Battlegrounds. I am doing this on a private server, but of course you can follow along on an actual public server, and I'm also gonna showcase it there. So the first things that you should do are incredibly basic, and they are built into Roblox itself. Go over to these settings, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find graphics mode and graphics quality. These refer to the actual graphical quality of the game, and the higher it is, the less performance you are going to get, because the game is going to look prettier, all the particles and textures and models will be rendered and super detailed, so you want to set this to manual. If it is set to automatic, it is going to automatically try to detect the hardware on your computer and lower or make it higher accordingly. But I still recommend that you do it manually, and afterwards you lower this all the way down. So on the graphics quality, make sure that only one square shows up. By doing this, you are going to ensure that you get bad graphics, which in turn give you the most amount of performance. You can also go into the settings and explore some of the options here. For example, fast mode, and you can also disable blood. This might seem simple and nonsensical, but because blood is a particle that goes all over the place, and when you are in a public server, there are a lot of blood particles, by disabling it altogether, they won't be rendered, and in turn, your PC is going to get more FPS, especially if it is low end. So I'm gonna go on a public server to sort of demonstrate this. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. Of course, if you have a lot of stuff open on the background, close it down. So for this video that I am recording, I have OBS running, I have Spotify, Discord, and a bunch of other stuff. If you aren't using all of these programs on the background, you should always close them down. This way, all of the resources available on your computer are going to be used for Roblox exclusively. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix lag in Saitama Battlegrounds PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.